And the challenge with all of this really is formal education, is high school and university really helping these students to get this foundation, or do they need to take a proactive role in seeking out online training courses and proactively going after internships to work on during summer break and during some of their downtime? Uh, you really, there's never probably been a more important time to take a proactive role in figuring all of this stuff out, because the shelf life on these technologies many times is so rapidly that the higher education, secondary education seems to have a hard time keeping up.
Absolutely. See, the universities and colleges, they do a more theoretical. They may give you an idea of compute storage network, but what is how it is applicable in the real world, how it is impacting the industry today, what exactly they need to learn to be part of this industry and to be a differentiator in that industry, is where there is a big gap. And us, like IBM, companies like IBM and big companies, they are trying to bridge this industry, the industry and the university gap. We are doing a lot of programs where, we are trying to educate these students, educate the pass outs, how what they would need to know to move into into their career. So you're right. They need to be more proactive, they need to understand, they need to talk, they need to have a mentor, and then do some research, go into different do some certification programs, if they are interested, say data center, or if they're interested in cloud, or if they're interested in AI. So they need to understand what all, as I said, what are the basic functions of that, and then go for external certifications and some post certification after their college, post university certification, to get into this industry. Or the second is go into an join an organization and then understand, get a mentor, and then do the certifications.
Yeah, it sounds like great advice. Probably the biggest message it sounds across the board is just, it's not a one and done. You're not going to get your training and be able to coast on that throughout the course of your career. Maybe not even for several years.
Yeah.
It's the training's perishable.
Yes, absolutely. Today, we, with so many years in the industry, Joshua, we are still learning. Every day we come to the office and it's a new day for us, and we are learning new things again every day.